Hello, welcome. Look at this challenge here. It is simple, but many persons do fail this challenge or questions of this simplification kind. The question is bracket open 8 plus bracket open 16 divided by 4 close bracket again square bracket close times our 3. So how do you solve this? Many persons have the opinion that when you have a challenge of this kind, you solve from the right hand side to the left. So let's see if that will work out. We'll use this method and at the same time we're going to use another method. But out of the two methods, we'll tell which is the best way of solving this. Now let's take our solution. We have the options given here. So the first one we have 28, 30, 84, 36. Now if we go by the school of thought that says that when you have a challenge of this kind, you solve from these backward, then it means we are going to use this 3 to open up everything we have here. So let's go ahead and use 3 to open up everything here. So our expression here is going to give us here 3 times 4 will give us our 12, right? Then we have our division side here, so let's keep this division. Then we have our 3 times 16, that will give us our 48, right? So we have here 48, 48. Then we have our plug sign here, 3 times 8 will give us our 24. So we have our 24. Right. So again, we continue from here down to this side, right? Good. This square bracket is now out. So we are now left with this. We are still going this way. Then we use this to divide this. So if we use our 12 to divide 48, that will give us our 4, right? Good. So we're going to have here our 24 plus our 4. So we cannot add these two together. So we're going to end up having this to be 28. So do we have 28 in the option? Yeah, option A is 28. But does that make it to be the correct answer? No. Let's try the second option, which has to do with the use of your BODMAS or PDMAS. Okay, PDAS rather. Okay, so either you use the PDAS or your BODMAS. So using either of them, it says that here we have a square bracket. So we have to deal with the quantities inside this square bracket first. And inside the square bracket, we still have another bracket, which is this, right? So we start from the inner bracket. And so we can rewrite this expression. So here we're taking our second method. Our second method. Here, we're dealing with this first. So our square bracket remains there. So we have our 8 plus, here we're going to have our 16. This 16 all over 4. This expression here is the same thing as this, right? Good. Then bracket, let's put it in our square, in our bracket in here, the times our 3. So we can use this to divide this. Again, let me ask a question from here. What if I decide to remove this bracket here? Then I decide to find the LCM of this and this, because here we have invisible 1 and here we have 4. If I decide to find the LCM of this and this, will it give me the answer? Yes, it will give the answer, but that is not the true approach to solving this. Okay, so we use this to divide this first. And so this is going to give us our bracket 8 plus 4 into 60 will give us 4. Close bracket times our 3. All right, so we continue again. At this point, we still have another bracket. Although, if you use this to times this plus this times this, it will still give you the answer. But let's follow the rule. We're going to add this and this together. So if you add this, this is going to simply give us, let's just continue here. This plus this will give us 12. Then 12 times 3 will give us 36. We have 36, so we have here 36. So 36 is the correct answer. So when you have expression of this kind, what you do here is simple. All you just need to do is just to follow your BODMAS. Okay? Your BODMAS. Where your B stands for bracket, O stands for off, which is still multiplication, then D stands for division, then M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and X stands for subtraction. All right, so if we follow this again, the bracket here, which is what we have in here, is what we just dealt with first. Okay, then if we go by this, we have division inside. Look at the division. We have to deal with the division, okay, before the multiplication, which is what we have at the back here. Then if we come to this side, that's why I said if you use this to open up this, then you still get the same answer, because here you have multiplication before addition. So if we continue from here, that we have to solve the multiplication first before addition, this is going to give us, let's check it from here. From this point here, this is going to give us our, let's take 8 plus our 4, the bracket, times our 3. Then dealing with the multiplication before the addition, this is going to give us 3 times 4, then plus our 3 times 8. So 3 times 4 will give us 12, right? Then plus our 3 times 8 will give us 24. So if we add 24 to 12, that is going to give us 36, which is same thing. Yeah, okay? So from this point, you can either follow this by using the multiplication first, or you just finished everything about the bracket first before you open up this. Okay, so either way will give you 36. So 36 is the correct answer to this simple simplification. Okay, so 36 is the answer to this simple simplification. Thank you for being there. Drop a question in the comment section. See you in our next class. Bye.